I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the target drive ready. Confirm it has at least 20 GB free and is formatted NTFS or XFAT so Valorant files behave correctly. Once done, close Valorant and the Riot client. Exit background services like Vanguard so files aren't locked. Then run the Riot client as administrator to ensure it can move or reinstall files and write necessary registry entries. This prevents permission errors and makes the next steps, uninstall or move, successfully execute without interruptions. You now change the install location by using the Riot client's uninstall or move options. Select the new path such as D/games/Valorant to keep things organized. If you prefer manual move, copy the Riot Games and Vanguard folders with the exact folder structure to avoid missing files. After copying, update registry keys or the Riot client install path so the launcher recognizes the new location. If the client still doesn't detect the files, run the installer and point it to the moved folder so it validates rather than redownload. You finish by launching the Riot client and verifying game files so the launcher repairs or downloads anything missing. Make sure Riot Vanguard reinstalls if you see driver or permission errors. Run that installer as administrator and reboot once installation completes. If problems persist, clear the client cache, remove leftover registry references, and retry the move or perform a full reinstall directly to the target drive to avoid corrupted transfers. This sequence ensures file integrity and that anti-cheat drivers match the new installation path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.